Hi and welcome to another session of MyFFLBook. Today we're going to be inputting customers into MyFFL. To do so, simply go to the first icon here on the menu bar. Then for this exercise we're going to use the Add button. As you can see, is customer is checked, is taxable is checked, and we're going to start entering our customer's first name, middle name, last name. And the software detected that there's already a customer inputted with that exact name. So you can continue or you can stop and go and use the previously entered customer, but the software will not prevent you from adding. I'm going to put in my driver's license, my street address, city, state. If you used our previous video on how to configure your site, ours is configured as the default state of Ohio, and if it defaults incorrectly, just go up to the parameters, make your parameter change, and then the state will default to yours. And then the county, you may or may not have the county. If you do not, just use one of our previous videos to actually show you how to add a county. For this exercise, I'm just going to use ours. United States as the default. I'm going to put in our phone number and our email address. Birthday, very important if you sell a firearm to this customer. I used the today. And then I'm going to use my keypad to put in my month, my day, and the year. And all I'm doing is using the right arrow to do so. Here is if the customer wants printed invoices, emailed invoices, or printed and emailed invoices. So we're done entering the customer. We're simply going to hit save here. And if you go and look, we do have a links tab. It defaults to invoices. This would be any invoices that you would do for this particular customer would show up here. The ATF forms is if you do use our 4473 process, they would show up here, and also any other forms like the 3310s, form 1s, 4s, and 5s. And here on the documents, you simply have to right click, add new, and add any type of document that you wish. If we look at firearms, this is any firearms that would have been sold to the customer or taken in if you do gunsmithing work. Invoices, once again, any transaction to that customer. Membership notes, if you have a membership program at your gun shop, or if you own a gun range, you can actually add notes to this customer. And orders, anything a customer would have had you order but is not received yet, would show up here until the transaction is completed. That concludes our video for today. Hope this was helpful, and we'll see you on the next video. Thank you and have a great day.